Chapter 15. Conjunctions. A. Defining a conjunction. Conjunctions are words used as joiners or connectors. Conjunctions are words that join words, group of words or phrases or sentences or clauses. I worked hard and succeeded. He rang the bell but nobody answered. Bread and butter is a popular breakfast. I called the doctor because my mother was seriously ill. Stop talking or leave the class. B. Kinds of conjunctions. There are 3 kinds of conjunctions. 1. Coordinating conjunctions. 2. Subordinating conjunctions. 3. Correlative conjunctions. C. Coordinating conjunctions. A conjunction that connects words, phrases, to independent statements or two statements of equal rank or importance is called a coordinating conjunction. A comma is used along with coordinating conjunctions to connect two independent clauses. It is important to note that a comma is never placed after coordinating conjunctions. The following are the coordinating conjunctions: fanboys, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Examples. I went to bed early for I was tired. He packed his bag and left for the station. I did not call you nor your friend. He is poor but not dishonest. Study regularly or you cannot complete the syllabus. My friend earned much money, yet he is not satisfied. She got up late, so she did her work in hurry. D. Subordinating conjunctions. A conjunction joins two statements or clauses, one of which is dependent and other being independent, is called a subordinating conjunction. Observe the given sentences. Sonia left the park because it started raining. She is sad since she has lost her doll. I will be able to drive when I get older. In the above examples, there are 2 parts or 2 clauses in each example. In each of them, the second part of the sentence depends upon the first in order to be meaningful. Such clauses are known as subordinate clauses as they cannot stand on their own. Therefore, the conjunction used to join the subordinate clause to the main clause is called subordinating conjunction. Let's see the use of some subordinating conjunctions. That, she reported that all packets had been distributed. Whether, they wanted to know whether she could manage the things well. When, the moon appeared in the sky when the sun set. Whenever, please call me whenever you feel like. Since, I could not attempt the last question since the time was over. Before, we had reached the bus stop before the school bus came. As, she left the office before lunch as she was not feeling well. Wherever, she is welcomed wherever she goes. Because, you should complete the task today because today is the last day of its submission. Lest, stay indoors lest you should catch cold. So, that, he read so fast that he could prepare more pages. Such, that, it was such a grand party that I had never been to. Although, I warned her several times, she committed many mistakes. E. Correlative conjunctions. Some conjunctions make complete sense only when they are used in pairs. They are called the correlative conjunctions. Some of them are coordinating while some are subordinating. The different correlative conjunctions are both, and, not only, but also, either, or, neither, nor, whether, or, as many or much, as, etc. 1. In a correlative conjunction, its 2 parts are placed immediately before the words to be connected. He not only stole my bag but my books also. He stole not only my bag but my books also. 2. Correlative conjunctions add one statement or fact to another. The dress was not only expensive but also big in size. The lady was both angry and irritated. 3. They express a choice between 2 alternatives. You have to be either a captain or the class monitor to write a note in the school diary. I do not know whether I should wear a skirt or trousers to the party. F. Joining sentences with the help of conjunctions. We can join short sentences with conjunctions, but we should be careful while choosing the conjunction to be used. A wrongly used conjunction would either convey a different meaning or make the sentence look absurd. Let us observe some sentences. Birbal was very wise. The king did not trust him. There is a contrast between the above two statements. A wise man is supposed to be trusted, but the king did not trust Birbal, so here the choice of conjunction should be the one suggesting contrast, but, although, yet, still, etc. We can join the above sentences as follows. Birbal was very wise, yet the king did not trust him. Although Birbal was very wise, the king did not trust him. We took a cab for the theatre. We did not want to get late for the movie. Here the second statement indicates the reason of the action mentioned in the first statement, so, a conjunction suggesting purpose should be used such as so that, lest, etc. We can join the above sentences as follows. We took a cab for the theatre so that we might not get late for the movie. We took a cab for the theatre lest we should get late for the movie. Note that we have to make suitable changes while framing our sentence.